everybody, welcome to Playful Learning with me, Miss Anna. Okay, now we are going to continue to learn about the phonics sound. Okay, this time we are going to learn about the phonics sound of group 3. What are they? Let's check it out. Okay, this time we have this sound. Do you know what sound is this? Yes, very good. G, 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 g. Okay, now let's say the words that start with g, 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 g sound. Can you please mention some of the words that has g, g, g sound? Yes, very good. Goose. G, 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 goose. Good job. What else? G, 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 gate. Yes. Yes, anything else? Yes, g, 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 gum. And then? Very good. G, 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 goat. Okay, and then? Yes, g, 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 girl. Okay, and then what else? Good job. G, 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 gorilla. Yay! Alright, now let's try to write the g, g, g sound together. Okay, finger, finger. Okay, make a curve and then line. Alright, one more time. Just follow the arrow. Okay, let's do it. G, g, g. Okay, very good. Alright, now let's try to spot the g, g, g sound. Okay, and I have some words. What do you need to do is you have to try to spot the g, 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 and every time you hear the g, g, g sound, you have to say the words and clap your hands. Okay, I'll give you an example. I have glasses. Glasses. So what do we need to do is glasses. Glasses. Yes. And where is the g, g, g sound? Good. It's in the beginning. Yes, very good. So we are going to play together. Are you ready? Good job. Alright. Now I have this word. Bug. Can you hear the g sound? So what do you need to do? Yes, let's clap our hands. Bug. Very good. And where is the g sound? Good job. It's at the end, the ending sound. Okay, next I have guitar. Guitar. Yes. Can you hear the g, g, g sound? Yes, good job. What do we need to do? Clap hands. Very good. Let's say it together. Guitar. Guitar. Okay. And where is the g, 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 g sound? Good job. It's in the beginning as well. Very good. Next, I have rain. Rain. Can you hear the g, g, g sound? No, 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 no. Yes, so we don't need to clap our hands, right? Good job. Okay, next, I have grass. Grass. Yes. Can you hear the g, g, g sound? So what do we need to do? Yes, let's clap our hands. Grass. Grass. Good job. And where is the g, g, g sound? Very good. It's in the beginning. Okay, and then next I have lion. Lion. Can you hear the g, g, g sound? Nope, nope, nope. Okay, so we don't need to clap our hands. Okay, and the last one I have this. Tiger. Tiger. Yes, can you hear the g, g, g sound? Yes. So what do we need to do? Let's clap our hands. Tiger. Tiger. Yes. And where is the g, g, g sound? Very good. It's in the middle. Yay! Well done. Okay, now it's time for riddle.
It's time for riddle. Hi friends, it's me, PL. Are you ready to play? Okay, this is an animal, and this animal looks like duck, and it starts with g, 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 g. What it could be? You're right, friends. It's a goose. Yay! We did it, friends. Yes. Good job, friends. Good job, friends. Good job, good job, good job, friends. Alright, friends. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Alright, everybody, now let's review. What sound is this? Good job. G, 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 g. Very good. And how to write it? Let's write one more time. Follow the arrow. G, g, g. Okay, very good, everybody. So, I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye.